Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to link Facebook to banned account. When you link Facebook to banned account, it will help you for easier interaction with friends and increase visibility and outreach. To link Facebook to banned account, first open your banned application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on your profile on top right. Then here you can see settings. Tap on settings. Now here you can see accounts on second. Tap on accounts. Then here you can see linked accounts. Tap on a small notch in your Facebook. Then here you'll be taken to this page. Now here you need to make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account that you want to link with your band. Now tap on continue as your Facebook name that is provided on the given box. Mine is continue as Noah. Then your banned account will be linked with your Facebook account. By linking your banned account with Facebook account, you'll get access to all your activities on Facebook as well as banned account, and all the information will be shared within each platforms. As you can see here, my Facebook has been linked with my banned account. This is how we can link Facebook to banned account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.